Hello everyone, here's your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, October 8th. We continue with dry conditions for now, and when we see that change, it may not be around very long or not be much of a change, it looks like at this point. At least that's the current trend. Like we said, dry conditions through Monday with the dry air in place. That means chilly mornings and warm afternoons, typical of this time of year here in our neck of the woods, and light winds are expected. Now, Tuesday, that's the day we're seeing this storm system come through. The things we can agree on, it looks like it'll be a lot more breezy, and it does look cooler. There is still some question where it may rain or snow and just how much rain or snow we might see. But after that comes through, we're right back to dry conditions over the region. Satellite this morning, we've got some higher and even a few mid and low-level clouds moving in from the northwest. That's coming around the ridge that's just to our west. Not expecting any precipitation with this system that comes through, just that higher level moisture in place across the area. Looking at the weather risk outlook, nothing expected over the weekend. It will be a bit breezy across the Snake Plain and Magic Valley and on some of the ridge tops up in Limhi County on Monday. But Tuesday's the day. It'll be breezy. Some places seeing some light rain or snow and maybe a little bit of lingering light snow down around Bear Lake as we head into Wednesday morning. So for today, those temperatures were back into the 70s or staying in the 70s in some places, near 80 once you get over into the Magic Valley and Treasure Valley, 75 at Salmon, otherwise 60s up in the high country. And for Sunday, looking at some chilly temperatures in the usual spots across the area. It looks like a good chunk of the Snake Plain will be in the mid-40s to mid-30s to mid-40s. Warming in the afternoon back up into the 70s. We're be about a degree or two warmer for your Sunday. Going into Monday, temperature's not wavering too much, maybe a little bit cooler Monday morning across the area, and that translates to a degree or two cooler across the area by Monday afternoon. Here's where the changes take place temperature-wise on Tuesday. It does look like we're not going to make it out of the 60s, 40s, and 50s if you're headed up into the high country with that system coming through, or at least trying to come through the area. Wednesday morning, that'll probably be the coolest morning. We'll probably see a more white in at least the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, a better chance of a widespread, at least seeing some widespread frost or light freeze across most of that area. It's going to be very cold in some places, in the usual cold spots for this time of year. So looking at exactly what we're talking about, we're not talking about a lot of precipitation. Where is the system headed? The current trend is the system crosses over the divide. We don't get a lot of precipitation over much of the area. This is for Tuesday morning. We're looking at the potential of a tenth of an inch or more up around Lost Trail Pass, only about 30 to 40%. It really drops off as you head back down into the Central Mountains and into the Island Park and the Centennials, only around 20 to 25% for Tuesday morning. Going into Tuesday afternoon, that chance slips to the east, and we're still only looking about 35-45% up along the Montana border, Island Park, Centennials area up towards that part of the state. Dramatically drops off to the south and to the west as well. Once you get down into the big holes down around Palisades, at least through Wednesday or Tuesday afternoon, that probability of seeing over a tenth is only about a 10 to 20% chance. And going into Tuesday evening, early Wednesday morning, that chance slips either farther to the east, and once you get along the Wyoming border, we're only looking at about a 15 to 25% chance of seeing a tenth of an inch of moisture. Rain, if you're looking at snow, that's just a trace amount of snow in any of those given locations. So, like we said, with this trend to the farther to the east with this storm, it looks like it's going to be a much drier system. At least that's the trend for now. So, like we said, temperatures will be warm, and until we get to that system coming through, chilly mornings, warm afternoons, light winds. It does, like we said, look breezy and cooler. That's the things we can count on for Tuesday. We're going to see how things trend over the weekend to see where it might rain or snow and just how much falls our direction. Have a great Saturday, and do stay safe out there, everyone.